Welcome back. Tackling a big fencing project often feels, well, daunting. Custom orders, complex hardware, tricky installs. Today, we're doing a deep dive into something designed to change that, the Nuvo Iron legacy fence system. Our mission, really, is to see how this system might simplify things for you, whether you're a homeowner or a contractor. Can you get that premium look and durability without all the usual hassle?
Yeah, and it's fascinating because this legacy system, it's really an evolution. It takes the elegance of our well-loved coral residential iron fence, the traditional welded style, but completely reimagines the convenience side. We're talking about a box system, makes shipping, handling, setup just way easier, safer, more stylish spaces, less fuss.
Okay, let's unpack that. What exactly is the Nuvo Iron legacy fence system? What makes it different?
Right. So at its core, it's a complete iron fence system, but the key is simplicity and durability designed together. The real clever part is its modularity. We've boiled it down to just 8 main products. That covers almost any installation type, but for a lot of standard projects, you might only need 3 things.
3, okay.
Yeah, the panel, the post, and the gate. Because, and this is important, the connectors, the hardware, it's all included with the panels. Match perfectly. So you get that classic iron look, the strength, the safety, but in this easy-to-handle boxed format.
That does sound like a big difference. So beyond just being iron, what are the real tangible benefits compared to maybe traditional custom iron or even a wood fence? Where does that simplification hit home?
Well, the biggest benefit is that simplification, but without cutting corners on quality or the look. For homeowners, planning is just easier. You're not hunting down dozens of little hardware bits. For contractors, fewer ordering mistakes, simpler logistics, everything you need, it's right there in the box. And transport, it's designed to fit in your truck. No need for special delivery like those big, awkward custom sections.
Okay.
And compared to wood, well, iron lasts much longer. Minimal maintenance, forget yearly staining, forget replacing rotten pickets. Plus, it has that timeless look that really boosts curb appeal, adds real lasting value.
That adaptability you mentioned for different yards, that sounds like a huge win. But let's talk specifics. What about pools and slopes? Those are common issues.
Absolutely crucial points. Yes, the system is designed with pool codes in mind. The panels are 5 feet high, which is standard. And the gate kit, this is key, comes with all the self-closing, self-latching hardware included. Essential for compliance.
Okay.
But, local rules vary, so we always say double-check your specific town or city's codes just to be sure.
Good advice. And what's actually in those kits you mentioned? The main items.
So the 3 core items are the panel, which comes with the mounting brackets, the post, which includes the post cap, and the gate kit with all that self-closing hardware. There are 5 other items for more specific things, like maybe different post mounts, but those 3 get most jobs done.
Okay, that makes sense. And thinking about the pros listening, how easy is this stuff to actually get to the job site? You mentioned fitting in a truck.
Yeah, it's incredibly straightforward for contractors. Forget needing special trailers or wrestling huge, heavy sections. These boxes, the panels, the posts, they're designed to load up easily. Pickup truck, van, even an SUV for smaller jobs. It cuts down that logistical headache, saves time, lets you focus on the install, and maybe get to the next job quicker.
Time is money, right? And what about peace of mind long term for the client and the contractor? Warranty.
Definitely. It comes with a solid 10-year warranty that shows our confidence in how well it holds up against weather, everyday use. It gives both the contractor and the homeowner that long-term assurance.
So wrapping this up, whether you're a homeowner thinking about an upgrade or a contractor planning the next project, it sounds like this legacy system is really trying to blend that traditional iron durability with modern simplicity, securing your space, making it look elegant, but making the process easier.
Exactly. If you look at the bigger picture, it makes a high-end look, a really durable fence, much more accessible and manageable. It's about saving you time, saving you effort, but still getting that beautiful, long-lasting result.
Makes sense. So if you're listening and you want to explore this further, where can you find the Nuvo Iron legacy fence system?
You can find it at major retailers. Visit nuvoiron.com and check the Where to Buy page. It has all the details for online or in-store. Plus, your local building supplier can often order it in for you, too.
Great. So lots of options. We invite you to think about how could simplifying your next fencing project change things for you? Could it free up time, reduce stress, and still give you that premium finished look? Definitely something worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive.
That's it for this episode of The Iron Mic, brought to you by Nuvo Iron. If you liked what you heard, follow us to stay up to date on our latest episodes. Got questions? Interested in the products we talked about? Or have a project to share? Visit nuvoiron.com or find us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok at Nuvo Iron. Until next time, listen in, learn more, and build better.